Have you ever asked yourself, when is the easiest time to win in trading? It sounds like a simple question, but surprisingly, most new traders never ask it. Why? Because most beginners who step into the market carry a belief, or rather, an illusion. They think they can make money anytime, anywhere, as long as they turn on the screen, look at the chart, and press the buy or sell button. So they trade constantly, non-stop. If the price ticks up or down, they jump in. Every flicker of a red or green candle makes their heart race and their finger tremble on the mouse. They believe opportunities are always there. But what's the truth? The harsh truth is this: the ones who want to make money all the time in the market are the ones who lose the most. Sounds shocking, doesn't it? But think carefully. The market is like a river. Sometimes the current runs fast, sometimes it's still. Sometimes it's stormy, sometimes it's calm like glass. Imagine a wise rower. Would he paddle in the middle of a whirlpool, or on a windless flat lake? Of course not. He chooses the current that flows in his favor, the wind that fills his sail, so that every stroke carries him farthest. Trading is the same. The market has rules, and only when you understand those rules do you have a chance to win. If you try to trade any time, regardless of the market's condition, you're just like someone rowing against the current. So then, when is trading the easiest to win? The answer lies in two factors: the market, the trader. First, the market. One of the unshakable rules of trading is, always trade with the trend. When the market shows a clear trend, trading becomes much easier. If it's an uptrend, you just buy. If it's a downtrend, you just sell. That's it. No need to overcomplicate things. But here's the key. Stay away from sideways markets. Sideways price action is the account killer for millions of traders worldwide. Why? Because in a range, price goes nowhere. It just bounces back and forth, tricking you into entering a trade, only to hit your stop loss or frustrate you into closing early. Sideways moves are traps, whispering, "Look, price is moving, do something." But the more you do, the more you lose. A pro trader never wastes time in sideways conditions. They can sit for days, even weeks, waiting for a clear trend. But once the trend appears, they strike, and that one trade makes up for all the waiting. This is the difference between a pro trader and a newbie trader. Newbies want to trade all the time. Pros only trade when the market is favorable. So how do you know if the market is trending or ranging? There are many tools. Moving averages to identify long-term direction. Bollinger Bands to measure volatility, support and resistance to mark key levels, trend lines to see the bigger picture. Every trader has their own method. But the universal rule is simple. Only trade when there's a clear wave to ride. Remember, the market is like the ocean. If you want to surf, wait for the right wave. The stronger the wave, the easier it is to ride. Weak ripples, calm waters, better stay on shore. And here's another advantage. Trading with the trend not only increases your odds of winning, but also gives you the best risk-reward ratio. Imagine you buy in a strong uptrend. Even if you set a tight stop loss, the probability of price moving in your favor is high. That means you risk little but stand to gain much. This is a secret many losing traders never understand. The market doesn't reward blind risk takers. The market rewards those who wait patiently for the trend. Second, the trader. Even if the market has a trend, you can still lose if your mindset isn't stable. Think back to the last time you traded while tired, angry, or impatient. What happened? Chances are, you entered trades randomly without a clear signal, took profit too early out of fear, held on to losses too long, refusing to cut, or revenge traded after a losing streak. None of that had anything to do with the market. It was all about your psychology. A disciplined trader, when calm, can hold until the target is hit. But the same trader, on a bad day, loses all discipline. At that moment, he isn't a trader anymore. He's a gambler. And you know how that story ends. The account evaporates. That's why one of the most important rules is, don't trade when your mindset is unstable. Are you sick? Don't trade. Feeling sad? Don't trade. Just argued with someone? Don't trade. In a hurry to win back losses? Definitely don't trade. The market will always be there. Tomorrow, next week, next month, the market keeps moving. But your mental state won't always be steady. If you can't protect your psychology, you can't win in the long run. So, to know when trading is the easiest to win, just remember, when the market has a clear trend, when your psychology is stable, only when both conditions are met is it the golden time to enter. If even one is missing, stay out. Remember, not trading is also a trading decision. Not entering today means you've avoided a loss, and avoiding a loss is a win. Success in trading doesn't come from how many trades you take. It comes from knowing when to wait, having discipline, and managing yourself. Train every day, both your technical skills and your psychology. Technical skills help you identify the trend. Psychology gives you the patience to wait for it and the strength to follow your rules. When these two elements come together, trading stops being a struggle. It becomes a controlled process, a journey where you step into the market calmly, capture the opportunity, and step out with profit. That is what real trading is. So next time you open your chart, don't ask, should I trade right now? Ask yourself, is the market trending? Is my psychology stable? If both answers are yes, then trade. If even one is no, stay out. That is the secret to becoming a trader who survives, and more importantly, a trader who wins. Always remember, when is trading the easiest to win? When the market trends, and when your mindset is stable. Simple, clear, powerful. Do you usually trade with the trend, or do you still trade when the market is moving sideways? Leave a comment so everyone can join the discussion.